Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently BitTorrent has broken out another quite long-term down channel. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then this was the down channel that I was showing you. You can see that previously it broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very powerful pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was more than 511% pump, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance of 220 and got stuck inside this channel. Before that, by the way, we also formed this falling wedge pattern as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that previously we broke out this wedge, and the target for the breakout was here at the top of the wedge at 167, and you can see that after hitting that target, the price got stuck inside in another bullish bias pattern, and that was a down channel that we have broken out a few days ago here on 21st of August. And after the breakout, the price retested the previous resistance of the channel as support, and now it is geared up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared a few days ago on 9th of September 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared a few days ago on 9th of September 2024 with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move that BitTorrent was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal, a buying on and sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line, as expected, dropped more down as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bat, completed the leg here, and then we had a nice reversal and pumped almost 10%. So far, it is pumped almost 10%, but now the pump can be bigger one because we have also broken out a down channel on the daily time frame chart as well. And by the way, if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart, and here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that since after the month of March 2024, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce, rejection, and here we had another rejection, bounce, rejection, almost had another bounce, and finally we broke out the resistance of the channel. Then after the breakout, the price then retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up, and now soon it can hit this long-term resistance on that starts from 108 and goes to 115. That had been previously working as a very strong support zone here for several weeks. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance on here and resistance on here and support on here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel at 212. But in my opinion, after the breakout from this channel, the price can also hit this long-term resistance of 220 as well. Now, here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had almost a more than 500% pump, but still the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.